Presenting iScanLR, implementing a smart circulation, accession, and inventory of learning resources using QR code. Proposed library management system in Pedro Alegre Aure Senior High School.
On April 14, 2023, results of the validation of libraries show that it has a very low rating of 28 out of 86 interpreted as a non-functional library. Quarterly inventories also reveal a low turnout rate of self-learning modules. Thus, the overall vision of this study is a smart library management system using QR code. This action research aimed to determine the status before and after the implementation of iScanLR. Specifically, this study answered the following questions. 1. What is the status of schools' Learning Resource Center before the implementation of the iScanLR? 2. What is the status of the school's Learning Resource Center after the implementation of the iScanLR? 3. Is there a significant difference between the status of library management system before and after the implementation of iScanLR? 4. What are the problems encountered during the implementation of iScanLR? 5. Based on research problem number 4, what recommendations can be proposed for the continuous improvement of iScanLR?
The researchers employed simple random sampling in selecting the 98 grade 12 students with 95% confidence level. A quantitative self-made questionnaire was administered online. Frequency, percentage, and descriptive statistics were used to analyze research questions 1 and 2. Furthermore, the non-parametric test, Wilcoxon sign rank test, was used to answer problem number 3. Meanwhile, purposive sampling was used in selecting the 8 senior high school advisors who responded in the unstructured interview guide. Content analysis using coding, categorizing, and thematic analysis were used in analyzing the qualitative data. Table 1 shows the status before iScanLR. Results show that among the indicators, efficiency and usability both obtained the highest frequency of 64 or 65.3% with the mode of 3.0 interpreted as highly effective. Table 2 shows the status after iScanLR. Results show that among the indicators, accuracy got the highest frequency of 62 or 63.3% with the mode of 2.0 interpreted as highly effective. Table 3 shows the status of iScanLR before and after the implementation. Results were analyzed using Wilcoxon sign rank test. Data revealed that reliability obtained a p-value of 0.004, efficiency with 0.009, accuracy get a p-value of 0.007, usability with a p-value of 0.001. This proves that the indicators mentioned have a significant difference before and after the iScanLR, since p-value is less than 0.05 level of significance. On the other hand, it also revealed that only security with a p-value of 0.060 had no significant difference since p-value is greater than 0.05 level of significance. Half of the participants experienced different challenges, which include internet connectivity, typing of information manually, and downloading of scanning application on the phone. In the research findings, it was revealed that 3 out of 8 participants expressed the view that no specific measures were deemed necessary to mitigate the challenges encountered by both personnel and users using the implementation of the QR code-based library management system. The tabulated data above highlights the presence of a variety of proposed solutions to address implementation challenges. These results indicate the need for a comprehensive and coordinated approach to address the identified challenges effectively. The following are the implications of this action research. Based on the conclusions of the study, the following are recommended.
Here's the action plan of the study.